Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you two skincare products which are really very nice products, and I have almost emptied that product to show you the results and how it really works on your skin. That two products will really help you in your skincare. So guys, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so I was talking about these two products, Mamaearth Upton face mask and Mamaearth face wash. This both are really very good because I am trying this since long time. You can see my face wash is literally over and they will give you very good results. You just have to use this two and you are done with your skincare routine. So I will just elaborate about the brand, what it tells and what are the ingredients and everything about that, and then I will show you on my face how it looks and how it works for you. Okay guys, so first we will talk about the face wash. So the Mamaearth Upton face wash. This is the Upton face wash. We all know Upton. Our grandmothers, our mothers, really they used Upton, and we also knows the benefit of Upton. So this is the Upton face wash, and this really is very good. I have been trying to show you guys the results. You can see I have already emptied this face wash. So this is a very good face wash. So I will talk about this, the Mamaearth Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron that really helps your skin for tan removal. This brand is paraben and SLS free. It's hypoallergenic, suits all skin types. And what's written on the back I will show you. It's natural ingredients, repair sun damage and lightens our skin. So this will really help to lighten your skin, and this is dermatologist tested. It's pH balance, free of sulfates and artificial fragrances. And the ingredients are also very natural. There are no added colors in this. Color may change over time because of the natural ingredients used in this, but the product's efficiency remains unchanged. So the product retails for $249, and I think it's a very good product in $249. You should give it a try for a skincare routine. If you are really looking for a tan removal, you can see it's literally written tan removal, and you can just try a brand if you want. If you want to try this brand, I'm giving you this honest review, so you can just go and try this brand. I will show you how it works on my face also, applying this. Okay guys, so now let's talk about the Mamaearth Upton face mask with saffron, turmeric and apricot oil. And the face mask is for lightening and brightening. This is a really very good face mask, and this is paraben and silicone free. It's hypoallergenic. It's an anti-aging, lightens and brightens your skin. This is made with natural ingredients, and directions for use and everything I will just let you. So this face mask is really used for skin lightening and brightening. They claim this, and I will show you. This really gives you very good result. This is a very good brand. You should give it a try. I really like their products also. I've shown you the onion oil which really helps you in your hair growth. They have the onion mask also. I will do a review on that also. Soon I'm going to do a review on that also. I just love this brand. This is not a sponsored video at all. I've acquired all the products on my own, so I'm giving you this honest review. And let's try out the face wash and the face mask. I will show you, apply it on my skin and I will show you. And this retails, the face mask retails for $4.99. So we will just use the face mask and face wash and these two products, and our skincare will be done. So now we will use the face wash. So I will take this much amount on my face. So guys, I have taken this much amount on my hand, and it's written over here, concentrate scrubbing on your forehead, nose, chin, because it has small granules inside this. You can see guys, it has small granules inside this. So this will really help if you have blackheads also, tanning also. So it's a and the smell of this is amazing. If you like Upton saffron smell, this is a very nice smell. So I will just so you have to wet your hands, and after that just scrub it properly in circular motion. Especially concentrate on your nose, on your forehead, or on your chin, wherever you have blackheads, tanning problem. This will do work of scrub also and a face wash also. I'm just loving this face wash, and it will really help you also to remove. You can see We have just rub in a circular motion, and now I'm after scrubbing, properly scrubbing it over my nose, my chin, my forehead. Now I will just wash my face and I will show you how it looks like. After that I will apply the Ubtan and I will show you. So guys, you can see I have washed my face and I'm really feeling very fresh after washing my face. It has a really very good smell of saffron inside this, and you can see my skin, and it has granules also, so it is doing the work of scrubbing also and face wash also, 2 in 1. I really love this product, that's why I'm sharing this with you. Okay, so now guys, we will apply this Mama Earth Ubtan face mask, and you all know Ubtan has really cooling properties and it will give you a very cooling effect on your skin, and it will really help to get rid of tan. So I'm just using this face mask. You can see I've already used this much, and the smell of this is really very good. You can see the texture of this is really thick. So I'll just apply it on my face and I will show you. So I'm just applying on my face after I've washed my face with their face wash. The smell is really, I really love the smell. Saffron, turmeric and apricot, this really helps you in your skincare. So this have all the natural ingredients in this, and this will suit all skin type. All skin type people can use this face mask, and it will really lighten and brighten your skin. So guys, you can see we have applied it on our face. Now we'll keep it for 15 minutes, and after that I'll show you how it looks like. Okay guys, a quick update on this. This is now completely dry and I'm going to wash it. It will really give you a very cooling effect. I have applied this and it's really giving very cooling effect. In summers this will really help you, and it removes the tanning also. So this is a very good product. You should give it a try. Now I'm going to wash my face and I will show you how it looks like. So guys, you can see I have washed my face and it really looks very good and it feels very good. So if you really, if I really want to suggest you, I will just really suggest you, please try this brand and this face mask and face wash. It will really help you in your skincare. So you can see the results and difference yourself. So you can apply this face mask once a week, and face wash you can use this every day. Okay guys, I hope this information was useful to you. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, take care, stay healthy.